Morning, I'm at Middleton Lakes today and it's a hot one. It's supposed to be 33 degrees today and it's hot already, really hot. I came early, around 6:30, to see if anything was happening early before it gets too hot, and there was a bit, not a lot. I think I got a couple of nice shots of a tern on the way in. It was backlit, and then I've come over just between the two lakes and I'm not doing much more walking. I've got to go and walk the dog yet. So I've just stayed up here for a couple of hours. I've had a good couple of flybys by a lapwing, getting pretty close, and maybe I've got a few shots of that, a few shots of the avocets, and that's about it really. There's not really a lot going on at all. There was a male gargany. I took some shots of it, but it was too far away. And that's about it. There's just nothing really going on. I can hear all the sedge warblers, but they're really hidden today, really hidden. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a slow walk back and see if I can see anything else. But I think it's getting just too hot now for anything to, you know, kind of happen, because I don't think the birds like flying around in the heat. I'm kind of hoping when I get back over in that direction, the terns will be kind of by the water a bit and I might be able to get a couple of shots of them. But again, there's not many of the terns flying about today either. So let's go and have a look. Where I'm standing now, there's actually 4 or 5 egrets. And right behind me is the bittern, and it's been really booming, really loud. It must be like 20 foot away from me, something like that. It's so close. Oh, that's it. I'm going home. There's just nothing else happening. It's too hot. Oh, scorch here, dripping with sweat. I'm going to head back because it's just too hot now. Nothing's happening. As I said earlier, I didn't expect it to really because of the heat. I just wanted to say in this part of the video, many thanks to everybody that commented on my last video with ideas on how to improve my channel and how to improve my videos. Some good ideas and some that I really like that I was going to do in this video. The main one being more video work and me talking over the top of my video work rather than at me, which is what I was going to do in this video. I was going to take some photos first thing and then do a lot of video work, and then all the talking I did I was going to put over the top, but it just died off and then there was just nothing to video. So that kind of went tits up this week, but I have took it on board. There was another comment from, I think it was Kevin, saying that I'm constantly putting myself down, and yeah, I do that a lot, and I think that's partly me. I am a moaner, so moaning all the time. I think that's just me. I'm not going to be one of these YouTubers that go out and go, oh yeah, I've had a brilliant morning and this is what I've got, and I haven't got any shit photos, because they've all been absolutely amazing. Now, I'll show you my shit. But yeah, I will try and cut down on the moaning. Note taken. Gotta get my breath back. I hate this walk back. I really hate this walk back. I'm always knackered when I've got to walk back, and it's too hot today. So I'm going to put the video away anyway now, that camera, and crack on with it, because like I said earlier, I think I've got to walk the dog yet. And don't worry, I'm not going to walk him on the pavements. I want to take him over some fields. So that's it. Bit of a disappointing day really, but I think I've got a couple of shots that should be okay. So 2 days later, I went to Ladywalk Nature Reserve. Now the weather was still hot and I didn't expect much to be happening, and there wasn't really. I wanted to mainly get some photos and some video work of birds in flight, such as the cormorants, the egrets and the herons. There wasn't really a lot going on, but I still managed to get a few decent shots. The problem I had was I was shooting in the bright sun. Even though it was early morning, the colours were coming out really contrasty and really bright. Now for me, this is the worst time of day to photograph. I don't like shooting anything in bright sunny conditions. I'd rather have a few clouds about. So although the photos came out quite clear, I didn't really like the contrast of them. I did manage to get a flyby from the Cuckoo, but by the time I'd noticed it, it was kind of level with me and heading away, so I only kind of got the back end of it. also got lucky and saw the Kingfisher, but again, as I was doing video work, by the time I'd swapped over to take a photo of it and managed to get focus, it flew away. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.